Climate change affects the development of all nations, regardless of size of economy or location. Yet, no other group of nations is more vulnerable to its devastating effects than the small island developing states, SIDS. SIDS are among the first to experience the worst and most devastating impacts of climate change. SIDS are threatened by existential risks such as sea level rise, extreme weather events, and coastal destruction, presenting greater risk to economies, livelihood, and food security. SIDS' capacity to adapt and to build resilience against drastic effects of climate change is limited. It is a fact that they have limited financial and human resources. They are also faced with the challenge of climate-related data. They have no or little access to historical or anecdotal information. In this context of environmental uncertainty, and in line with the UN Sustainable Development Goal 13, climate action, GISCAN Limited, a Mauritian company specialized in geospatial solutions, including GIS and remote sensing technology, is developing a solution based on a comprehensive approach to monitor and simulate climate change effects on local community and environment. For proper monitoring and simulation, analysis will be based on data acquisition from drones, field observations, satellite and weather forecast data. A decision support instrument, the solution will enable verification of sources for better monitoring, simulation, and optimize the model risk assessment plan. Example of a dam break simulation in Mauritius using GISCAN methodology provide information about the extent of damage caused by a dam break, spatialization of flooding, volume of water, and water velocity. The comprehensive approach enables a reach-to-reef monitoring, allowing to analyze the entire ecosystem and their interactions, open up other monitoring research perspectives such as coral bleaching analysis, among others.